Alright guys, wouldn't you know it, we're back. We're doing what I said we would do. Today is the day that we are going to take all the plastics off of this here R7 that I fucking high-sided right over. Did a little flip on. Yeah, we're gonna tear it down. I'm gonna leave the frame, make sure it's not like all fucked up, bent in, like cracked or anything like that. We're gonna check, make sure the forks are all straight. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Let's get right into it. Alright boys, this is the fucking tail frame that was snapped. I just got this shit out. Kind of been grinding back there. I had to drill like 2 of these fucking bolts out because they were ground down so far. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep it going. did it. This shit, like all the plastics I want to take off are taken off, right? I even got the gas tank off for the most part. I just don't feel like taking the fuel line off right now. What else? I didn't take the wheel cover off or like any of this like side like auxiliary plastics. That's more effort than I really care about right now. I'm turbo crippled right now. My left leg is like fucking almost useless, and my right arm is super weak. All right, that's my right shoulder. My right leg is absolutely screaming because it has been doing all the work to move me around all day. Like look, it is dark outside right now. I started this at like 1 o'clock and it's like 5 something right now. But yeah, let's do a little walk around with our little torn down R7 right now. Huh? Got ourselves a little naked bike action going on right now. Wow. I feel my back getting better already. Alright, we're gonna kind of start here at the front, but yeah, look at this. Looking at this recording, it's been about 3 fucking hours. Holy shit, I can't wait to see how much storage this takes up on my phone. Yeah, little headlight module thing right here. The dash is right there. What else do we got? You can see my fuck-ass lever right here. Oh yeah, even that thing's all like bent down and shit. Goddamn broken-ass handlebar again. I fixed it, I think. Nope, okay. Nice little gas tank action here. Dude, it's the tool I was looking for. I couldn't find it earlier. Oh my god, I am gonna put that somewhere. I'm not gonna forget about it. Thank God. But yeah, I mean, the only thing left that's connected for the gas tank right now is, hope you can see it down there. I don't wanna like, fucking, where's it? That plug right there. It's the fuel line. We've unplugged the fuel pump. The air snorkel right there. All like the battery and the fuse box, all that stuff. The tail section, which I thought was gonna be pretty banged up, but honestly, it's looking pretty good. You guys get to see my fucked up blinkers, aftermarket blinkers. Look at them, all fucked up, crazy. No more taillight. That shit's gone. In fact, gone. Yeah, all the damage we already talked about, but I mean, yeah. I did a walk around, looked at the frame. The frame seems like it was pretty much intact. Especially like I really focused around here. I didn't nothing feels broken or cracked or anything like that. So I'm kind of hoping it's all good. But yeah, let's go close this video out. God, this one made me tired as fuck. This one was rough. I'm super wore out. I'm taking some fucking plastics off, huh? Yeah, also the bright side of my license plate mounts pretty good. That's good to go. But yeah, where do we go now? What is that? Oh god, this stool is eluding me. There we go. There you go. Scoot closer. I got this handy dandy rear set right here. We'll put that shit on. Take the woman's home. Oh my god. Alright. Sorry about that. My roommate came home. Had to yap at him for a little bit. But yeah, like I was saying, I got these Tech Performance rear sets. Which side is this? This is the gear shift side, yep. So they're like fully adjustable. That's gonna be really cool. I've never had anything this nice in my entire life. Holy shit. But my struggles are beside me, right? I think I already showed you, but yeah, I got the better, or I guess it's just like an OEM subframe for the tail section. Where is it? Yeah, this is the old one. I'd say it's pretty fucked up. Yeah, I had to drill out like 2 of these bolts to get this thing out. They were like super stripped down. That was a horrible experience. Horrible experience. What else did I show you guys? I showed you guys the clip-on handlebars, but I didn't show you these levers. Yeah, So I got some fucking ASV inventions, the unbreakable lever. Why are they called unbreakable? I mean, what they're made of, I don't know what it is, but it's something strong. I don't know, man. But also, instead of like how like most aftermarket, like I guess handles, what are these, levers? Yeah, levers will like fold up. These fold just like out instead, which I guess is better. I don't know. But yeah, they're adjustable. I'm gonna use them. They're gonna look great. They're gonna look phenomenal. And here's your per video Trump impression. I said I've never seen something that looks so good. Wow, wow, those levers. Oh my God, they look so good. Wow. I said they look so good. Wow. All right, that's all you get. That's all you get. Yeah. But anyways, that there. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Yeah, we tore it down. It all looked good. I'm really fucking tired. I'm gonna go edit this now too. Oh my God. This took 3 hours. But yeah, you know, all the normal stuff. If you liked the video, hit that fucking like button. Like it up. And smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications to see more. All right. That's enough of you guys. Get out of my fucking garage. Go. Goodbye.